I remember being tired of never having enough space in my washing machine and dreading the thought of doing multiple loads of laundry. And that's when I discovered the 8 kg 5-star washing machine from Samsung. Hi there, I'm Anushka Chauhan and I am here to talk about my Samsung 8 kg top load washing machine. The new Echo Bubble technology is amazing. It creates rich and powerful bubbles which penetrates the fabric up to 2.5x faster and gives 20% better fabric care. All this while using 73% less energy and 19% less water than other top loads. This means I'm not only saving time but also contributing to a greener planet. What really impressed me about this washing machine is the digital inverter motor. It's designed to provide long-lasting powerful performance with less energy and noise. Plus, with the extended 20-year warranty, I have peace of mind that my washing machine will last for long. And last but not the least, Samsung gives 2-year comprehensive warranty on the product and ensures that Samsung makes durable and long-lasting products. So there you have it, the 8 kg 5-star washing machine from Samsung. The washing machine that has changed the way I do laundry. Hurry now and get yours today. Head over to Flipkart and make your purchase today.